Hi everyone, my name is Bhavya Arora. I secured 99.75 percentile and an All India rank of 183 in my JEE Mains Paper 2 this year. This is all because of SSAC Institute. It truly made a difference in my preparation journey. I started preparing almost 2 years back and I feel that consistency was the key to my success. The faculty is not only highly knowledgeable but also are well-educated architects. To the point, strategies and guidance of Shruti ma'am and Ananjay sir made all the difference. The best part is that you can approach the teachers at any time of the day. Mini ma'am, Shrestha ma'am, Arun sir and Farooq sir were all very supportive and showed me the right path. Attending the classes regularly, frequent mock tests, and the excellent study material provided by the institute was a game changer in my preparation. Managing JEE preparation with 12th boards was also a big task for me, but the right advice and the pinpointing focus made that impossible possible for me. At last, I would like to thank all the faculty members at SSAC. These memories will be always cherished by me.